Hey everybody! Today for our at-home science, what we're going to do is something that might be hard for you to do at home. That's because I'm going to use this large concave mirror. I had to go pick it up for a colleague, and so why not have a little bit of fun with it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ball, and this ball is orange on top, and put some blue tape on the bottom so it has two different colors, and we're just going to swing it towards and away from this on a string, like on a pendulum. And what you're going to see is how the image of this changes in this mirror. There's a lot of physics that happens here, and it's actually not terribly hard to understand. Some math is really helpful in this case, but just watch and see, because this is like a really cool demonstration of what happens to an image in a concave mirror when you go in front of and behind the focal point. Focal point. So the focal point of this mirror is somewhere, in this space here, and it's the space where all of the light converges to a single point. So there it gets named the focal point. So when I've got the ball on the near side of the focal point for the mirror, the reflection that you see in the mirror is, what you kind of expect to see. Orange is on top and blue is on bottom. But if I go on the far side, so now I'm actually behind the camera, and you can see that the image is now inverted. I've got blue on top and orange on bottom, and everything in that is upside down. So again, close to the mirror, right side up, far from the mirror, upside down. And there's an upside down little girl there in the background. Wave. So as you can see, as this ball gets closer to or further from the mirror, not only does this image flip, but it also changes in size based on what you're seeing in the reflection of the mirror. So a lot of times these mirrors, you'll see them if you're like putting makeup or something on, you need a bigger version of your face. This is good for magnifying you for that. But it also depends a lot on not only where the ball is in relation to the mirror, but where you are in relation to the mirror, how close or how far, and where you are in terms of up or down, with the line that this is on. So, I hope I got it right. I thought it looked really cool. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you ever find yourself with one of these, play with it. Lots of fun to be had. We'll try and do another one of these soon. Bye.